Hello guys, this is Dr. Fastlane. I'm sure that you are enjoying the channel and I really appreciate your interest. Well, again, as promised, I'm always looking for some crazy cars to bring it to my audience. And in the last car show I was there, probably a couple of weeks ago, I saw this gentleman with the name Johnny. And he has a treasure trove full of cars. And he fixes it himself. He has an upholstery shop. So here we are. So let me tell you about what I'm going to shoot today. Mr. Johnny, how are you, sir?
I'm doing good. How are you?
You have one sweet ride up here.
All right, thank you.
Look at that, guys. This is the Chevy 1950 Fastback. Who else knows better about this car than you? So please go ahead and tell our audience, when did you first bought it, what condition it was in, and what you have done so far to bring it to life.
All right, well, I first got this car about 2 years ago. We found it in Rio Doso. It had some rot, still has a little bit. The floors were rotted out. We put new floors in it. We gutted out the straight six. My wife wanted it, couldn't drive standard, so we made it automatic. Put a 383 stroker in it, pushing around 460 horses. We did the axle conversion. We did a rear end conversion, custom rear disc brakes, all new interior, brand new transmission, driveline, rear disc brakes. Everything's upgraded to 12 volt.
Okay.
We made the crazy cruise in it.
All right, Mr. Medina, I cannot wait to see what's inside. Let's pop the hood.
Let's check it out. Oh, it's right here somewhere. There it is.
There you go.
So what I have here is 350 stroked out with a 383 stroker. I have electric cooling and a 6-blade to help keep it cool.
Right.
MSD ignition.
Okay.
Aluminum heads, aftermarket exhaust on it.
What is this? This is...
That's a siren for our car club that we're in. Most of us have it in there.
Guys,
you hear the fire department coming with, that's us. You'll hear us before you see us.
Looks like a little torpedo.
Yep.
Now, obviously the engine is completely, is it the rebuilt engine for this car, or this was just completely swapped it with something else?
It's a complete swap, rebuilt custom for this car.
Beautiful. And how long it took you to work on that engine since you bought it?
That motor right there took me about 6 months to get in and out. We had a trial and error. The other motor dumped on us and we built a brand new one. We pulled it out from one day to the next.
Right.
Same day. I've been working on this about 2 years already, from what you see to not running.
Man, this is amazing. And see, guys, this is what I want to show you, the story behind cars. As I said, anybody with money can go buy anything, any cars. But if you do not customize it to your taste, I mean, you just can't feel proud. Money can buy any car you want, but real story, your real pride comes when you put your effort in there. And that's what I like about these people who breathe and eat and sleep cars.
Yep.
Now, look at the front. Let's show you. It's all steel bumpers, right?
Yes, sir.
Chevrolet, all original parts?
All original.
Nice. And
we polished them here in the shop.
Now, viewers, I'm OCD. I like my car to sparkle, no dust on it, no fingerprints on it. The color should not have any swirls on it, no swirl marks. If there are, get the paint correction done. But look at this and see the character it gives to the car. I mean, when I saw this car first time and I asked Mr. Johnny, is this finally done? He said, yeah, it is. And you know why? Because I was seeing all these rust up here and all this patina on that. And that is actually the paint he wants to, I mean, this was the original body the way you found it, right?
Yes,
and you didn't do any body work to it to cover that up. And see, this is amazing because I've not seen this kind of, interesting color and the character to the car. So please tell me what caused you to thought about, hey, just leave it like that, do not even touch up or do anything, just leave as original as possible.
Well, we wanted to change it, but we thought we'd leave it since it's from the 50s. You ain't gonna see too many cars from the 50 driving like that. This car has over 100,000 original miles. Why fix it? It ain't broke.
Yeah.
Leave it alone. Everybody else is making them look like that. This is original.
Wow.
Leave it alone.
So basically, the engine is all, you fixed it, everything, but the body is as is.
The body is as is. The windows,
original.
the chrome, the trim, everything is original. Wheels, interior, and motor.
1950, so now almost 75 years ago.
Yep.
And look at the body still. It's still tough. Nowadays, all these fiberglass bodies, good luck. But look at this.
Yep. Solid steel.
Strong. That thing up here with that covers the wheel, they can come off too if people want to just.
The fender skirt comes off. It exposes the whole rim, but this is actually part of the body, so it does not come off. But I can take these fender skirts off.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Great. Again, I can see beautiful, sparkly steel bumper. Good luck hitting that from the back. Let's open the trunk. Let's see how big the trunk is.
It's small.
Okay, and you did put the boom box in there.
Yeah, we got a custom system. We moved the battery to the back. I put the panels in it.
Okay.
Still need the rubber seal. I have all this stuff. We're just one step at a time.
And I like the way you use this to add further character to the car.
Old stick.
And guys, look, all patina, all rusty here, but this is a different kind of feeling. I mean, look at that.
It's real.
Now the mufflers, you just put it aftermarket in there, or?
They come with one single exhaust. I made it true duals. Okay. So yeah, that's aftermarket exhaust system in it.
And then the lights, you just...
all new. That's original, but new.
Okay, great. Look at that. This is all original body decay, but this thing will be later on falling apart slowly, but the more it falls apart, the more bigger holes will get.
Yep.
But overall, it will still look nice and very different. Look at this big hole up there. This is all original rust from 1950s and the patinas, and that just you don't see on cars because people just like it to be shiny and scratch free, but this adds a different dimension to the car. Now the wheels are all original, and then the tires, or what?
No, they're all custom. They're British wire wheels. I bought them when COVID hit, so I didn't really have much of selection, but now I do. But they fit right in there, so I left them on there. They're brand new with custom 3-inch white walls, custom made for my car.
Now I cannot wait for you to explain or show me what you did to this gorgeous interior, how much time and effort, and I know that you have a upholstery shop, so you did most of the upholstery work yourself. Tell my audience what kind of effort you put in there.
Well, when we first got this car, it was all springs and no material. Door panels were rotted. You could see through the floorboards. Didn't have no headliner.
So this is all that you did?
Yes, sir. Leather wrap. We did a two-tone. We put new carpet. Pretty much says for itself here. We got new panels in it.
Well, look at that crystal gear shift knob.
That right there is my wife's touch. She wanted a crystal ball shifter.
And then look at this dash with this big speedometer in the middle. This is all original parts, right?
Yes, that's all original.
And what are these buttons up here?
That's for the air conditioner.
So air conditioner works on that one?
It has a heater and air.
Okay.
It's all functional. The heater works, the lights work.
So it's amazing. In 1950s, they were making air conditioners in the cars?
Yep. So this is all the radio, the speakers behind here. This is all original. It has the air, it has the heat, it has a fan, it has another vent. It has 2 vents in it actually.
Okay.
Everything works. Lights work.
What's that?
That's that way where you can see where the light's at and you don't have to look for over the visor. So I can see where the red light is instead of doing this right here.
That's...
So it's a guide to my light.